Here's another construction update on the coffee shop. So they like almost done. They're doing like the inside work now. So they almost done. Hopefully be done in a couple weeks. I hope. There's a new update. The shop is coming along good. Very good. They're doing a lot of work. Hopefully be done by probably in a couple weeks. So I see they added some leaves, trees. So that's a new thing they added. Some green leaves and the canopy. They're gonna be like leaf trees. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah. Pretty cool. Looking good, looking good. So they're gonna add some more leaves in that canopy. Got like 2 more canopies. They have to, actually, there's 1 more canopy they have to put leaves in. So the project's coming along good. They did concrete. So actually, guys putting leaves in there now. So pretty good. Can't wait for the coffee shop to be open. It might be open in a couple weeks. So the shop looking good. Looking good. Can't wait for. So actually, they do got 2 canopies there. Put trees in. Yeah, they still got a lot of work. I think this shop might be open by Labor Day. So this is my construction update on coffee shop. If it's a new update, I will let you guys know when the opening date of the coffee shop. We'll find out. So if you enjoyed this video, press like, subscribe. See you guys in the next update.